everyone. Today we're going to dive into the if function in Excel. In today's video, we are going to explore the meaning of if function and how to make an if statement. First up, let's talk about what is if function. If function is one of the most popular functions in Excel. It is used in various fields like data validation and comparison, financial analysis, sales, and marketing. It is used to compare values. It allows you to specify conditions and compare your data to the conditions applied and group them on the basis of whether or not they meet those conditions. If function can have two results. One result is if your comparison is true, and the other result is if your comparison is false. For example, if C2 more than or equal to 60, pass, fail, which means if the value of C2 is more than or equal to 60, the result will come out as pass, and if lower than 60, it is a fail. Done.
Moving on, we will demonstrate how to write an if statement in Excel. Let us take a simple example. In the column A, we have a list of sources and we want to categorize them as pass or fail. In column B, first step is to type in equal to sign and if. Next, open the bracket and select the data that you want to compare. Apply the condition you require. In this case, it is more than 40. Next step is to type in the values that you want to appear. This condition is true, and then the values of the conditions is false in inverted compasses. In this case, the values are pass or fail. Then close the bracket and press enter. Your value will appear on the selected cell. Then you can drag the file handle to apply the function to the enter the data. You can use the form equals to if, condition true, false, for a better understanding. So to conclude, the function if is a tool for logical testing and comparison within the spreadsheets and are used to in various fields. You can also use it to specify multiple conditions and display the results accordingly. This function is too helpful in creating spreadsheets that you outcomes which depends on specific criteria. The if function can also be used with other Excel functions like sum, average, workup, etc. For more complex operations, you can also use if functions in conditional formatting rules to change the appearance of the cell based on their values. This highlights how if is not just a basic tool but a fundamental part of Excel. Thank you and have a nice day.